Hey, hi, hello. This is Sarvana from aforanalyticsuniversity. In this video, we're going to look at what are the different products available in Microsoft Power BI. So how we're going to use those in the real time when you get into a job or if you want to implement Power BI in your organization. So you can look at those things. Stay tuned. So what are the different products available in Microsoft Power BI? Yeah. So we're gonna look at the website from Microsoft itself instead of reading the presentations. We usually do these things. So when you get into the Microsoft site, so I put this link in the description, and if you go to the products, so you can see the different products available in the Microsoft Power BI. So you can see the Power BI Desktop Pro Premium Embedded. So we're gonna look at what are those things, what are the four products available. So also we have a Microsoft Power BI mobile, so which is a mobile applications, which is not listed here, but that is fine, it is. So these are the most important things. So Microsoft Power BI, so we're gonna click that and we're gonna see what is that. So Microsoft Power BI Desktop is the development tool where you install this software in your local machine and start developing, connecting the data sources, data preparations, cleansing, and using the Power Query, and designing the dashboards, building the dashboards, publishing it. And you do all the steps over here in Power BI Desktop. And it is a completely free tool, and you don't need to pay a penny for this tool. Even though if you're not from any organization, that is fine, unless or until you have a work email ID. If you have a work email ID, you can click this button, download for free. It redirects for Microsoft Store, so which is the predefined one nowadays. So wait a sec, it's loading. So once you get this page, you will see the install button over here. So I already have the Microsoft Power BI, extensively use that. So I already have installed in my local machine, so it's saying products is installed. If it's not installed, it shows as install here. So once you click that, it automatically started to download a ex executable file, so we can install it. And once you install it, so you can search it here in the search window, as you can see Microsoft Power BI. So I'm gonna open Microsoft Power BI to showcase you what its lady looks like. So I'm gonna close this. So you see Microsoft Power BI Desktop is opening. This will take some time, initial of a time, that is fine. Yeah, it's opened. So it shows a pop-up to get data, so get recent data and the recent files we worked with. So we're gonna close it. So this is the interface of Microsoft Power BI Desktop. So you can see here it is a desktop. So it's a development tool. So you have three layers. So this is the three fundamental things. So this is the report layer. So this is the underlying data. So this is the data model. And we're gonna look at these things in depth in a separate video. You can search it in our channel, YouTube channel side. You can see all the videos here about these things. So this is a general idea of Power BI Desktop. And if you want to get the data, you can use the get data. You can connect with the list of Excel, the other stuffs, SQL Server, analysis services, OData feed. And if you want to explore more data connectors which is not available in the list, you can go to the more, and it pop up a new window like this. It's gonna pop up a new window where you can see the SharePoint folder, PDF, a lot of stuff, a lot of things happening. So you're gonna search it for Microsoft Azure. So once you type in Azure, you can see the list of Dashu data connectors we have, so we can easily connect with a database, SQL database, warehouse, blob storage, HDFS, HD Insight, cost management, lot of stuffs. The Azure cost management is something. If you use an Azure, it tells you the so what services you use, how long you use, what is the cost of it, a list of things. You can connect those and create a report from that. So this is the thing. So this is the the canvas. Here this is the filter, this is a visualization, so you can click any one of visualization here, and if you connect the data sources, you will have a list of tables and fields over here, so you can connect and visualize a report based on your requirement. So this is a Power BI desktop, right? So it is totally free, as I already said. You can download it, and you can build any reports like this you see in the screen now, so you can do that. And so we're gonna look at other products, something like Power BI Pro, which is a license, Premium, which is a license, Embedded, which is also another license. So we're gonna look at each thing in the next video. And if you have any questions, please post in the comment below. And if you want to learn Power BI from the scratch to the expertise level, aforanalytics has a training department called aforanalyticsuniversity. Okay, so this aforanalyticsuniversity is provide Microsoft Power BI training from the scratch to the expertise level. And if you want to look at the course, you can go to our website, go to the training page. If you click that, you will get an list of courses available. If you go to the list of courses, you can see the Power BI course intermediate level. So if you click that, you will see beginner and expert Microsoft Power BI training, which is an absolute live class, and there will be no pre-recorded video as you could see in another portals or sites, other companies. So this is a live session runs by a live human. So this live session will covers most of the things from a desktop, DAX, servers, report server, custom visuals, integration with Azure Machine Learning Studio, with R programming, and you do all the steps, right? Stuff from designing, developing, uh, publishing the report, sharing and collaboration, applying row-level securities, and everything will be covered in a single course. And so this is the cost of it, and so you can also see the curriculum of this course, so what it offers, what are the things you will be learning in the courses. And you can see the dev test UAT production environment, so that we have in the Power BI workspace, and it is the most rare uh, course module available in the market now. So the uh, peoples are very much striving to learn this, but they don't find it anywhere, and you can learn it in Aforanalytics University. And I have a special offer for you. Since you're watching this video, if you're ready to sign up today for this Microsoft Power BI intermediate course, and I provide a 50% offer from this amount. I provide a 50% flat offer. You can sign up today, and if you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment box, or you can use the live human support system we have. So you can ask any question with us. So if you want to know about want to know about Power BI course, make use of it. And thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you. Bye.